Hey guys, back again with another video. So, have you ever want to replace the sky of your photos and make it look stunning? Well, it has never been that easy and accurate before. So yeah, let's get started. Well, if your device is unable to download Photoshop Camera APK from PlayStore, then use the second link in the description below. It might show you a warning about unsupported device after you sign in, so just ignore that and move on. Alright, so this is it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. And also, please let's reach 1k as soon as possible, shall we?